Is your computer shutting down when installing Windows 11? Then you are at the right place as we have the solutions for you to fix this issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If your PC shuts down when installing Windows 11, this article will help you. This issue usually occurs due to hardware issues such as overheating, power supply issues, motherboard issues, etc. But it can also be due to BIOS issues. Let's get started on how to fix this issue. Method 1. Clear CMOS. Turn off your PC and unplug the power cord from the wall socket. Wait for a few minutes and open the computer case. Locate the CMOS battery. Remove it gently from the socket. Wait for a few minutes and reinsert the battery with the correct polarity. Turn on your PC. Method 2. Delete all partitions and create them again. You can delete partitions on the Windows installation screen before starting Windows installation. If you have a separate SSD for Windows installation, this will be easier for you. However, if you have only one hard drive with multiple partitions, you need to back up your data before proceeding. After deleting all the partitions, you can create partitions again and install Windows on the C partition. Method 3. Check the fans. Overheating can be one possible cause of an unexpected shutdown of a computer. Overheating issues occur if the fans are not working properly. Open your computer case and see if the fans are working. If fans are not rotating, check cable connections. The cables might be loose. Method 4. Reset the CPU and check the thermal paste. If you have built your PC, there could be a chance of incorrect CPU installation. Open your computer case and check your CPU for bent pins. If the pins are bent, fix them and install the CPU carefully. Worn out thermal paste is another cause of overheating issues. Check this and reapply the thermal paste. For more details, follow this guide. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.